Greetings and welcome back to this channel. Today we're making one of my absolute favorites, chicken with an herb crust. It's crispy, it's golden, it's packed with flavor, and honestly, it couldn't be easier. 4 ingredients you already have, 20 minutes in the oven, and it's ready. Let's go. Let's get some parsley. First thing we do is to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 180 degrees Celsius. Then lay our chicken breasts in a greased baking dish. I'm using parchment paper so I don't need to grease my pan. Now we're going to spread the Dijon mustard right over the top of each piece. This is the glue that holds everything together and adds a gorgeous depth of flavor. Now we're going to season our chicken breasts with salt and pepper. I'm using Himalayan salt, as always. Now, let's mix our breadcrumbs, our parsley, and our mixed herbs all together. Give it a good toss so everything is evenly combined. By the way, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now. Every week I post simple, delicious recipes just like this one. And if you've got a dish you want me to recreate, drop it in the comments below. I read every single one. Now press that herby breadcrumb mixture firmly onto each breast. Really pack it on there. Spread it evenly. Now we're going to spoon our melted butter over the top of each piece. That's what gives us that beautiful golden crust. Time to pop it in the oven, uncovered for about 20 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and that crust is perfectly crisp. See you later. Our chicken is ready. Look how soft it is. And there it is, chicken with herb crust, crispy on the outside, tender and juicy on the inside. Perfect for a weeknight dinner or honestly impressive enough for guests. Give this one a try and let me know how it goes. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps more people find these recipes. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking!